Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of a Keurig coffee maker. What we have here is a K compact series, and we will do a testing and setting up of this product. We will also do unboxing of this coffee pod mini drawer made by Heritage. These two products is from Canadian Tire, and I will put the price in the description below. This one, check. This also tape here from the dip tray. This is removable in case you need to put the travel mug instead of a cup. And yeah, let's see. So lift it up, and to remove the water reservoir, and to put it back is just slide it down, align it with the plastic, and okay. So what we're going to do, is okay, wait, let's do unboxing first of the Heritage coffee pod mini drawer. This is made by Heritage and can hold up to 24 kcup pods. I also bought the Tim Hortons kcup pods. And first, open the box. So the material of the product is a metal. Let's put the coffee maker on top of it. Okay, let's put in the drawer. This is what they call a K-cup coffee pod. And this can fit 24, and what I have is a Tim Hortons, like 30 pieces dark roast coffee. Too small. Okay. All right, 24. I still have 6 remaining. Okay, let's proceed with the setting up. So remove the water reservoir, and we have to first rinse this and fill it up to this max line, and then pull it back just the way you remove it. Slide it down, and then turn on the power so you can hear the sound. And now it's heating the water. It says in the manual that it will take 4 minutes to heat up the water. And let's prepare our cup. can hear the sound, and when the sound stops, that means that the water is hot. I don't know, it did not take 4 minutes. Okay, now the sound of the boiling water stops. First is open it as if we're putting a K-cup, but we have to close it without inserting one. And then when this 3 lights is blinking blue, you can choose the smaller cup just to flush the lines with hot water. Don't forget to put your cup here. Observe this blue light. When this one turns off, that is done. See, it's done brewing. But since this is just flushing the line, we have to throw this in the sink. It seems like every time you do brewing, it will heat a certain amount of water for the next use. You can hear it, and I think no need to wait for that to stop, and we just try. We will now put our K-cup pods here. Okay, now I will choose the large. Yep, it takes less than a minute. Yeah. Again, we will try to do testing. And let's put this aside. Oh, you can smell it. It smells like a fresh brewed coffee. And now we will do a timing. We will do a stopwatch, just to see how long it takes for you to have a coffee in the morning. Since we were just doing a testing, no need to put a new one. What I will do is open it as if we're putting a new pod inside and close it. Okay, lights are blinking, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think that's it. But let's wait to see 50 seconds for the light of that one to turn off. And now after that, we can remove the old one, and to recycle this is just open the foil, but not now, it's too hot, and throw it away. And then now let's try to show you how to take care or do care of this product. First, let's remove the water, so you can wash this and with soap and water and rinse. Don't wipe this inside with cloth. Cloth may block the passage of the water, so just dry it upside down. You can do that. And okay, to clean the needle, because the needle might be blocked with the coffee grounds, so you have to clean it once in a while by pressing at the bottom. See, there's a hole at the bottom, and then remove it. Don't force it from the top like this. It's too hard, so it's easier to push from the bottom. And then to separate the funnel, you have to like remove it sideways. See, this is a hard one because this is new, but you have to remove it sideways, because you can see the clip is here. And then use a paper clip, straighten paper clip, to clean the needle line. You can insert it from here. So yeah, here, just to clean the needle line with maybe some blockage of the coffee, and then you can put it back. Same thing, just align this plastic with the hole, small hole there, and then put it back this way. If you can see the text, sharp needle pointing you can put it back properly like that, and press it down. And then again, you can same thing as flushing the line with water earlier, and then turn it on, and then close. Flush the lines with hot water. And also you can remove this tray to clean this with the spilling of some coffee, just in case. And it's important to clean your Keurig to avoid piling up of coffee grounds, and make it work, make your Keurig functional for a long time. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.